What's going on YouTube? John Viet here, back with a brand new video. Hope everybody's having an awesome year so far. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you all the chemicals that you need to actually start pressure washing driveways. So if you're wanting to start your pressure washing business and you want to know what chemicals to use, all that good information, I'm going to break that down in this video. Now, as always, if you guys are brand new to my channel, please consider to subscribe to my channel. This is really going to help me out and boost it into the YouTube algorithm. Also, please consider to drop a like on this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll be glad to respond as soon as possible. Now, if you want to get more pressure washing jobs, I do offer a service. My company is called 813agency.com, and we've helped scale over 100 pressure washing companies to over $10,000 per month. This is where we set up all of your advertising like Facebook ads for you, so that way you don't have to lift a finger and jobs start coming in as soon as tomorrow. If you're interested in that service, send me a message at 843-888-2371. We also build logos and do websites as well. So if you're interested in that, either hit the first link in the description or book a free strategy call with me via text message. So I've got a lot of helpful links down in the description as well, like my free Facebook group at Pressure Wash Community, over 37,000 members in there. I'm super grateful for all of you guys that are already in the Facebook group, and as well as some other links like, where to get the equipment from Amazon, and also pressurecleanstore.com, where they sell ball valves, J-rods, turbo nozzles, all that good stuff as well. But without further ado, let's talk about chemicals that you'll need for driveway cleaning. Now, first off, we're going to talk about the basics and then kind of jump into some other, extra chemicals that you're going to need as well. Now, the first chemical that you're really going to need and have on all hands is going to be SH. You see everybody talking about it. This is a pool chlorine that you're just going to go to your local pool store. Now, if you don't have a pool store, you may have a pressure washing store that may have thousands of gallons on hand at all times, like Texas Pressure Washing Store here in Tampa. They're a really good pressure washing store. Also, we have Ameritech. So there's some also good options for pressure washing stores. But if you don't have a store near you, what you want to do is go to like a Pinch A Penny or a Leslie's. Now, if you don't have either of those, you can go to Walmart's right now via Spring. They're going to have a ton of pool shock on hands, but you're going to be paying a lot of money for the pool shock. Now, if you want to know how to actually apply the chemical, I'll leave that for another video, which I've got, in my YouTube channel. So just check that out. For now, we're just talking about what chemicals you need. Now, paired up with that SH, you're going to want to have a surfactant. This is going to be something like Eliminator, which you can get from Pressure Tech or any pressure washing store out there. Or you can just use your Simple Gain, which we use. This is going to be a surfactant that's going to allow that chemical to sit on that concrete and eat away at that organic growth. So you're definitely going to want to pair your SH with the surfactant. A few other chemicals that you may need is going to be like rust removal. This is going to help you upsell for customers that have rust on their driveway. Oils like degreaser is going to be another good chemical for like removing any type of oil stain. You're going to get a lot of customers needing that, but you can never 100% fully get that, oil out of their driveway. There's a lot of good chemicals. Join our Facebook group. I believe Dragon Juice is one, and there's a whole lineup of chemicals that you can easily buy either online or go to your local pressure washing store, which I recommend. You're going to save a lot of money on shipping. And that's it, guys. If you made it this far into the video, drop a comment down below SH, and I'll go ahead and like your